Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to search for an ETF here on Google Finance, explore options, check different suggestions, analyze trends, quickly compare data, scroll through markets, see charts, review stats, and discover new opportunities. So, once you open up Google Finance, I want you to go to the main screen right here. I want you to first and foremost go to your markets right here. You can type in whatever market you're looking for. This isn't really impacted, but if you want a different sense, you can do that. You can also review historical data, explore sector performance, and quickly identify patterns that might interest you. Next, go to where it says Search for Stocks, ETFs, and more. Then press on ETF right here. When you're looking for ETFs, you can either find a suggestion for you or type in whichever one you want. For example, I click the suggested one, check charts, and see the details. And there you go. Super simple, super straightforward. This is how to search for an ETF on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.